I want to get into pests next. Let's start with IPM, things you could do to prevent pests. What do you do in that case?
I've had problems in the past, and I had a bad bag of cocoa in the past that I had to deal with fungus gnats. And to get rid of that, I had to use mosquito bits. So something that I had to water into the cocoa every day for at least about a week till I got rid of that. But I normally keep sticky traps around now, so that's always a good monitor, like just to keep an eye on things. It's not going to stop you from getting them, but it's going to tell you if you have a problem or not.
Fungus gnats are such a pain, man. I battle them so much. They seem to come and go so often. It can be certainly be frustrating when you have a crazy outbreak. It doesn't sound like they have been too crazy for you, though. Have you come across any major pest infestations, whether it be spider mites, thrips, anything like that at all?
No, just the fungus. Luckily, that's all I had. I guess, they say you're not a real grower until you get spider mites and stuff. So I guess I'm not a real grower yet. I'm still learning. Yeah.
I've never heard that before.
Yeah. I heard somebody say that at the grow shop the other day. I was like, okay, I guess I'm not a real grower yet. I don't know what I'm
Wow.
doing, but I guess.
I guess agree to disagree on that one. I know people who have been growing for 5+ years and they've never come across pests. So
That's
are we gonna
great.
call them not a grower?
Exactly right. Like, come on, man.
That's funny. No, I'm glad to hear that you haven't come across any major infestations. They can be such a pain, man. I had aphids outdoors one time, and it was so disheartening. It was on actually my bok choy, and I went in there. It was harvest day, and I was like, "Oh, going to harvest some bok choy." My first time growing it, I was super excited. It was purple lady bok choy, so it was like completely purple. And then I went to go harvest it, and I'm just loaded with aphids, kind of like burrowed in, and it was just, it was disgusting. I was like, oh no, how the heck am I going to eat this stuff? So
Yeah. That's one of the things about growing outside, right? Is like you can't really control too much what's going on out there.
outdoors is a whole different battlefield. Now, are you doing anything as a preventative, like sprays? A lot of people use sprays, particularly like in the veg stage, in order to kind of deter pests or prevent pests from coming in. Do you do those at all or no?
No, I haven't had to yet. So, I mean, I know everybody's telling me to go ahead and just get some preventative maintenance going on before it happens, but I haven't had the chance to experiment with any different type of sprays yet. But I'm always willing to try something.
All right. Pretty straightforward there. I'll keep my fingers crossed that you don't come across any infestation.
Hell yeah.
We'll hope for the best on that avenue.
Yeah.
Go to the full episode by clicking the outro card here, or click the link in the description section below. Catch you in the next video.